Thrill, performance, presence. Meet the Fronx, accessorized to stand out, designed to conquer the road. Every accessory transforms your drive into an experience and leaves a mark of superior quality. A masterpiece that ignites the senses, sets your soul ablaze. It's not just a drive, it's a thrilling drive. Fronx is more than a car. It's a canvas for your personal expression. While the machined finish alloy wheels leaves a stellar impression, the underbody spoilers add a sporty demeanor and unmatched style. Premium exterior accessories that accentuate the sporty appearance. Fronx is a whole new paradigm of interior accessories. Marvel at the intricate details to get your pulse racing. Embrace a hot racing range of seat covers that will have you lounging in the lap of comfort. With this exclusive collection, feel the resonance with thrill as the Fronx sets out in velocity. If your game is about speed and agility, gear it up, feel the wheel-ups. Stay connected always with our infotainment accessories like wireless charger, multimedia, speakers and more. Every detail, every line, every turn, perfecting the art of driving. Check out genuine NEXA accessories at your nearest showroom or visit our website www.nexaexperience.com.
NEXA.